Can you count up to 5?
One,
Mm-hmm. 1. No, try to just count up to 5. 1.
two,
1. Come on, can you do it the real way? Please. Please. Want to go to a garage sale with mommy? Yeah? Yeah? All right, let's go. Mimi's still sleeping. Yeah, Amelia. Remember, she's still sleeping. Shh. All right, so it goes. What's your name?
one,
Your name is Juan? Hi, Juan. Isn't your name something else? Isn't your name Stella?
one,
Can you say Stella?
one,
Can you say Stella?
one,
Okay, 1. Now you want to count? 2. You count.
three,
Okay, 3.
four,
4.
five.
Ah. Chumi. Can you say Stella?